Welcome guys to Benny Ashuro YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about the alpha test. What does it do and what kind of feeling you get. This is just my experience, my review. I'm not a professional. I'm not a doctor. This is for only educational review purposes. And so I've been trying this for a month or two, and from morning I take 2 pills every day for 3 months. The first month I didn't feel anything. After a month and a half I started feeling like a lot of strength. I was able to lift more, run more, walk more. The type of work I do is very stressful. You need a lot of strength, a lot of power. And this gives you that power and strength. If you want to lift more, this is the thing. If you want to run longer, this will help you. If you want to do legs, this will give you that edge power, like that punch. What else? And this gives you the urge to merge. So guys, this doesn't just work by itself. You have to take it and go work out, and then you'll feel the results after. Do not exceed more than 4 pills, because if you do, you'll have a hard time falling asleep. You feel like jittery. And don't take it after 6. If you're going to the gym, better take 3, 2 in the morning and 1 afternoon, and it will give you that power for the gym 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. And what else? If you want to swim faster or you want to swim longer, this will help you. I used to be able to only do about 30 laps in 25 minutes. Now I can do in 40 minutes 102 laps with this. It helps me. Also, when you run long time, this gives you the power to run even longer. If you're looking to run longer, this would help you. But also keep in mind, if you run a long time, that lowers your testosterone level for men. If you're gonna run, you have to run fast, stop, stop with this, and then your testosterone should go up. A lot of people that I know in the gym, they take this for testosterone levels. They say it helps them. I did some blood work and I saw maybe 200-300 points go up. This is how, let me show you. This is the new version. See? The pills, they look like this. Like purple and burgundy color, not like the old ones. And it's good to take this also with the multivitamins. Overall, this has 100 milligram of shea seed, 100 milligram boron citrate, and many other minerals and vitamins in here. When you take multivitamins, check that it's not double, so be careful. If you take more than 4 of this, you will get like a jittery feeling, like as if you drink 3-4 coffees, your heart rate will go up. So if you have a heart condition, consult with your doctor. Anything you do, you should consult your doctor beforehand. This is just an educational review. I'm not a doctor. I'm just telling you based on my experience how effective this is for me and other people that I met in the gym. They also told me about it. And I'm sharing with you. This is the alpha test, the new look capsule by Muscle Tech Pro Series. It's one of the #1 selling items. Number one. I saw a lot of body builders. They use this. This is a maximum strength. See? It's very strong. It's good to take this with your pre-workout shake. Sometimes you can take it without the pre-workout shake, just by itself. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make more videos for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so we can grow this channel to a better and bigger. Please help me out. I really appreciate it. I will try to make more videos on other minerals and vitamins to make your life better. This is just reviews. You have to test this for yourself. Each person's body is different. So check your blood levels, your sugar level. Also, the guys who are diabetic, when you take this, keep in mind that this
with your phone, wherever you are. It's as simple as selecting Get Instant Quote.
I'm sorry, this can increase your sugar levels by 50 to 100 points because it pumps the heart real fast. If you're going to go to the sauna, keep in mind that this and sauna together, you can have an after effect, so be careful. It's good to do some meditation or relaxing exercise in the evening when you take this, so you can fall asleep easily. If you have a hard time falling asleep after taking this, you can take melatonin. It helps. But again, you should ask your doctor what they think about it, if you should take it. So this is just to give you a small edge, like a more power to go a little bit 120% longer. I will put the product information in the bottom. Please comment below. Tell me what you think about this, what your review about it, what do you think about it. Do you like it, you don't like it? Let me know. I appreciate you checking out my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in another video. Check out my other videos. I have all kinds of videos. How to do vitamins, how to fix the car, some comedy. So check out my videos. Thank you. See you again.